Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, let's get into this video. Please remember to leave me just one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright, and remember to love up on your girl. I have this Canadian sweet potato, or what, sweet yam, whatever they want to call it, and I'm going to use 2 Irish potato, and I'm going to peel all of this and come back. Alright guys, so I have my Irish potato and my sweet potato, and we're going to put them to boil. We're going to boil this for about, say, 12 to 15 minutes, alright? So it can soften up somewhat, because we're going to blend up everything. So guys, there you go. I put a piece of cinnamon stick in it, alright? And then we're gonna let this boil. Alright my peeps, these are cooked. They're still hard but somewhat cooked, and I'm gonna turn the stove off. The steam will finish cook them, alright? So we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna come back and blend it out. Alright my peeps, welcome back, and I have my potato and potato here. Alright, so now I'm gonna put about 1/3 peanut. It's optional, alright? I'm gonna go in with about 1/4 cup sunflower seed, and here I have my pumpkin seed, and I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon. You can put 2 if you want. And this is my sea moss gel. I will leave a link, and I'm gonna go in with a few tablespoons, about 4. Something like that. I have some aloe vera. I'm going to use about half of this. It's not much left anyways. Cut down the sides. Cut it close towards the skin. The skin is the bitter part, alright guys? So you don't want to blend the skin. And cut it also alongside the skin. Alright, cut it about in 2, and we're gonna put this goodness. You see slime? It's strong back. Alright, guys, when we talk about strong back, your back now go get up and strong in a one drink, you know. The reason how you're gonna get strong back, guys, all of these nutrients, protein, fiber, and all of that, it's gonna clean and build your body. Alright, and once your body is built, then your back becomes strong. Alright guys, don't get me wrong. Alright, don't come for me, okay? Alright, don't think your back gonna strong overnight when you drink this. Alright, this is not the case. This is gonna clean and build your body, packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of vitamins, lots of protein, lots of minerals. This is gonna clean and build your immune system. Alright guys, and as I said, we're gonna make this one vegan today. Alright, and oh, I have my honey. Alright guys, so the next step, I'm gonna put some almond. Okay, everybody tell me say if you stop using soy, so we're going for almond. Okay, and I'm gonna put about 2 cups. We have some nutmeg. I'm gonna put about 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon. It's up to you. We have some vanilla, and I'm gonna go in with 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoon vanilla. And we're gonna put some cinnamon, a pinch of cinnamon. All right, I have my honey. Yes, finally got my honey, and I'm not gonna make it sweet. Okay, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons will do. If you want more, you can put more. Sweeten it to taste. Here I have some dates. I almost forgot it. This is how it's looking. All right, and I'm gonna just put about 2 tablespoons of it, or 2 little bit, handful, because I add the honey, guys. You don't want to put too much, but if you don't add any honey, go ahead and put about 1/3 cup of dates, and I will leave a link to this. I got it on Amazon. And the final thing, guys, we're gonna go in with some ice. And this is it, guys. This is my vegan version. Okay, all right. And we're gonna blend. We're gonna blend. You see the goodness, guys? All right, we're gonna see how much we blend it, if you want to blend some more. So let's taste it. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo, the pumpkin seed. Woo, with the dates. Very good. And it's not sweet. Right on the money. All right, guys, we're gonna serve up some. Let's put it a little bit first. All right, guys, so here goes. All right, and we still have some more. And that's it, guys. All right, my peeps, and this is it. This is my vegan version. All right, no alcohol, no animal based around here, all plant based. All right, super rich, super healthy. Oh, packed with lots of health benefits. Antioxidants from my Irish marsh, the gumption, fiber, calcium, vitamins, protein, minerals. Woo, woo. And you know me, aloe vera, gumption, strong back. All right, all of this, guys, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, good for your health, good heart health, because it's gonna help to lower your cholesterol. Lots of fiber, look there, lots of protein too. Super healthy. All right, my peeps, and this is it. This is my potato and potato strong back. This one you can see a Rastaman punch. Yeah, my husband's favorite. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Ooh, I'm gonna taste some for you guys. All right, guys, your girl gonna taste it for you. My gosh, so refreshing. Bye, guys. Super good. Amazing.